There are several chat apps available from Google that can help you and your team get updates on projects, see product notifications instantly, and search for information. For example, the Meet app for Google Chat is a meeting scheduling assistant. You can send messages to the app by using natural human language, like schedule a meeting with Thomas on Wednesday. The Meet app can automatically find times that work for everyone and lets you choose what you like best. The Google Drive app for Google Chat lets you manage everything in one place. You can use this app to receive Drive notifications in Google Chat for events like when a new file or folder is shared with you. You can also see tasks assigned to you and new access requests for your files. Asana is a web-based project management tool. You can configure the Asana app for Google Chat in direct messages and spaces to see updates on your projects. You can also use the Giphy app in Chat to query GIFs and send them to conversations and spaces. Using this app gives you a different catalogue of images than what the GIF button in your text box provides.